Hello everyone, this is our programming language TA3 activity for the Java subject, and our topic for this TA activity is check the given number is a prime number. It means it is a Carmichael number or not. For this video, we will discuss some points, that is problem statement, concept of Carmichael number, then application, algorithm and code for this Carmichael number and its output. So let's start with problem statement. So firstly, we will discuss what is a Carmichael number. A n positive integers that satisfies congruence of b raised to n minus 1 is equal to 1 for all the positive integer b with GCD b comma n is 1 is called Carmichael number. In the simply way, we can say that the number of this Carmichael number is satisfied b raised to n minus 1 mod of n is 1 for all the values b that ranging from 1 to n such that these are the relatively prime number. It is a very extremely to be found this a Carmichael number. Also, Carmichael number must satisfy the necessary and sufficient condition for this Carmichael number. Carmichael number, it is also known as pseudo prime number or Carmichael number. Carmichael number, these are also follows some principles like of maths.
So now next is the algorithm to check whether the given number is a Carmichael number or not. So step 1 is start, step 2 is read n, step 3 is iterate from 2 to n, and for every iteration check if GCD b comma n is equal to 1 and b raised to n minus 1 into mod of n is equal to 1. If all the iterations satisfies the given condition, print n is a Carmichael number, else print n is not a Carmichael number. And step 4 is stop. So here we have to note that we can eliminate 1 from iterations as GCD 1 comma n is equal to 1, as well as 1 into mod of n is equal to 1. So we will understand this algorithm by taking an example. So here we have taken the example of 4 where n is equal to 4, and according to step 3, we have to iterate through all the numbers starting from 2 to n, and for every relatively prime number check mention conditions, and if it gets violates the number, the given number is not a Carmichael number. So according to iteration 1, here b is equal to 1, and when n is equal to 4, b is equal to 1. So according to the condition for iteration 1, 1 raised to 4 minus 1 is equal to 1, which is satisfied. And for iteration 2, b is equal to 2. When n is equal to 4, b is equal to 2. And according to the condition for iteration 2, 2 raised to 4 minus 1 is equal to 0, which is not equal to 1. Hence, it returns Boolean value which is false. So we can say that 4 is not a Carmichael number because condition for iteration b is equal to 2 gets violated.
So here we have the list of prime factors of these Carmichael numbers in front of them. So looking at this list, you might think that the Carmichael numbers have only 3 prime factors, but that is not the case. Only the first 11 Carmichael numbers have the prime factors 3 and a few others, but later on we have Carmichael numbers which have prime factors as 4, 5 and even 6. In fact, there is also a Carmichael number which was discovered which had over 1 million divisors and 16 million digits. Look at some Carmichael numbers. So this is the list of first 8 Carmichael numbers proved by Corzelt's criterion, as Corzelt was the first one who discovered Carmichael numbers, but he did not give any example. So later on in 1910, Carmichael discovered the first Carmichael number, which is 561. So that is why we call it Carmichael number.
Hello, I am Kunal. I have roll number 157. So this is a code in Java to check the given number is a Carmichael number or not. So after implementing this code, here we take some examples of output. As we take here, we enter the number 6. So as 6 is not a Carmichael number, our result is 6 is not a Carmichael number. we enter 561 and the result is yes, this number is a Carmichael number. So to run this code we require a Java compiler. So we run this program on Java compiler in JDoodle. So here in JDoodle we type the code, and this is the code, and now we are going to execute it. So interaction, then execute. Okay, now we enter, for example, we enter a number 6. So our result is yes, 6 is a not Carmichael number. After that, now we enter 561, and after executing, the result is yes, the 561 is a Carmichael number. So let's check this code for the number 1105. So yes, as we see, the 1105 is a Carmichael number. So in this way we check and verify our code and execute some numbers. So thank you.